Hello everyone. So this video is about when to use T and when to use V in Serbian language. I see the constant confusion of those two ways of speaking to people. T as in informal you or singular you, and V as in formal you or plural you. This happens often when speakers as a native language use English, for example. Other languages pretty much have the distinction between you as one and you as two people and so on. But let's go like this. Ti, kako si, for example, kako si ti. Informal you or singular you. It's used with friends, with peers, it's used with anyone you're close with family also you can use that. When it comes to V, it's formal, it's plural also, like vas dvoje, you two. Formal you, V, is used when you're speaking to somebody, let's say, double your age or older, when you want to be polite to a stranger, when you're talking to your professors, teachers, you always say vi. Kako ste? Možete li mi pomoći? Can you help me? Or to somebody who is above you in status, like police officers, doctors, firefighters, anyone actually. But you can always ask somebody if you can use informal you with them. Možemo li da pređemo na ti? Možemo li da pređemo na ti? Can we switch to informal speech? If they say yes, okay, da, naravno, može, svakako, then yes, you get approval. If not, then just keep using vi. Molim vas, hvala vam, kako ste, and so on. So basically those are the distinctions. V, you would use V also with old people, like with pensioneri, retired people, you know, like that's kinda showing respect and all of that, but like you're probably not going to address your grandmother informal. You're not going to address your own grandmother formally, like vi, kako ste vi. You're most probably gonna say kako si bako, how are you granny? So I think that's all. I think that would be all that you should know about those. So, bye. Vidimo se. Uživajte.